Design is a process where we used to give shape and structure what we wear. But I really believe design and fashion much more to tell. It can be an effective process for the progress of society. My name is Rokaya Ahmed Purna. I never had any intention in my childhood to become a fashion designer. I grew up in a very middle class family in Bangladesh from a very small city. I remember I am the first lady whose career very different from other family members and relatives, and it's very hard to say that no one is believing in fashion career. After lots of struggle, finally I came to our capital city when I just started my university, BGMA University of Fashion and Technology, and that was my first time I went alone to find my own identity with individuality. I remember I started to join competitions. My first competition is Denim and Jeans International Show, and I remember I'm the most junior one, and I got awarded, and it gives me a vibe and confidence so that I can, move on to rather than participate other competitions. Then I went to India to attend International London Festival as a young fashion designer and delegate. Then I went to Wuhan to attend Wuhan International Fashion Week, and I got Excellence Award. And then I went to New Zealand to attend ID Emerging Designer Award, and I got Entrepreneur Award. And finally I went to Russia to present all of my collection into Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week Russia. I took everything as a challenge for myself. My collection are mostly how much the story of the concept means to me, or how much it importance after making the collection. It tells a lot later. As a fashion designer and as an activist, I always trying to emphasize the story behind it, trying to express some message through my collection. If I can give some example, two of my collection called Remember Mina or Jute Materials, it conveys some message. The concept based on the feminism concept. We all know still women have lack of opportunities. Also, I am trying to express through my collection as a education, how education is important for everyone. My collection taught us about health and so on. I really believe fashion not only prioritize one comfort, but also it should prioritize one culture and race. And I feel the collection I always try to focus on the sense of self-respect. If I can talk about my another collection, it based on Potchitro. It's a very ancient motif from 18th century onward. Narration of the story is popular form of entertainment in rural areas. I am trying to introduce folk motif collaboration of fashion from, also plan to emphasize the people who worked behind it. And if I can talk about my one of the most interesting collection of urban tribal idea, doing something involving with the weavers, at the same time speaking about them through collection. It's in a very personal point of view. Is my another collection which I already represent on ID Emerging Designer Award. One of my outfit going to present on Otago Museum on next year. To work with artisan helped me to understand the value in working respectfully with the artisan, and lead me a continuous journey of discovery and ethical consideration through fashion. My collections are representative of my land, which has very strong heritage and culture, and a very rural flavor and natural flavor, and renowned years by years. Basically, my future plan, I want to create opportunity for women, craftsmen and artisan to take a responsibility towards preservation of craftsmanship, heritage wave techniques and relevant aim, and planning to follow the philanthropic business model. Lot more work needs to done on this sector, which I was focused on. I am very glad to participate on Fashion Symposium exhibition, and I think it's a very great opportunity to represent my collection and present to worldwide, so that the people can know about my works, and their feedback is really important for me. Thank you so much.